Hello, good morning, praise the Lord, Namaste, Vadakkam, Sastriyakal, Sakshat Pranam sabhi ko, to all the aviator world people. Today is the topic about the airframe construction of the wing and fuselage. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, please like my channel, and please with your love and harmony. Now, wing construction. As we know nowadays, the semi-monocoque construction is used. Why the semi-monocoque construction is used? Because it is lightweight in construction and strong in construction. Highest, that means we can say it has a very highest strength to weight ratio. Okay. Now, wing construction. Wing construction consists of the parts longerons, stringers, bulkheads, okay, and spars, front spar and the rear spar. This side where your slat is attached, this is called as a front spar, and this is called, and the rear one where your ailerons, where your engine bolt is attached to the front spar as well as and to the rear spar also. Okay, so this is called as the spar. What is the purpose of this spar, longerons, stringers and bulkheads? They give the shape to the wing as well as the strength to the wing. Shape आकार भी देगा और strength भी रखेगा. Means it will give the strength to the wing and it will give the shape to the wing. Okay, longeron, the parallel member which is running to the wing. This one is called as longeron, and the span and towards the chordwise which is running part is called as the stringers. Okay, now you understood all. Now, where the engine is attached to the aircraft, this is the engine. Where the engine is attached to the aircraft, this area is called as a pylon. This part is called as pylon. The bleed air is taken from the tubings by these compressors also. This is a toy model of a Boeing 747. So this is from which the this one is called as pylon, and here where the engine is attached. Okay, now what is bulkhead? This bulkhead gives a shape to the wing also, and also serve as a storing compartment to separate one and also to separate one compartment from another. Suppose this is one compartment and the another one is this compartment. Okay, to separate the two compartments, the bulkhead is used. Okay, now same case is for the fuselage also. Fuselage also have the semi-monocoque type construction. The semi-monocoque type construction, it has bulkhead, it has longerons, it has spars, stringers, bulkheads, this one. Okay, everything the same. Okay, now this point, a parallel beam, suppose this is aircraft. Okay, so this parallel beam which is going throughout the aircraft is called as the kill beam area. This one, as you can see over here, as I showed on the video, the kill beam area is the strongest point in the airframe construction. Why? As you can check it on Google also. By the Google I got the reference that is the kill beam area is the strongest part of the airframe construction, because in the kill beam area entire your this longeron, spar, stringers fit over here. The entire weight is fitted over. It is taking the weight of the aircraft. So this everything, your longeron, spar, stringer, it is installed on this, on above this part. This is called, उसके ऊपर ही रखा जाता है, जो इंस्टॉल किया जाता है उसी को बोलते हैं किल बीम एरिया. The strongest part in the airframe construction. Okay, so this is all about the airframe construction. Thank you. Stay safe, be safe, and be positive, be secular, be love, live in love and peace and harmony. Take care. Thank you so much.